Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at fixing one of these. So this is the Eufy security camera monitors. The issue that we've had is this power button doesn't work anymore, although it is charged. The white light indicates that it is fully charged, whereas red is like charging, and it just doesn't turn on. And so really the issue with this is that the power button is not connecting in order to get the battery started. And so essentially what we have to do is open it up, and we're not fixing the actual switch to get it. It's rather just going to be using some metal in order to basically trip the switch like it's turned on. And then I'm gonna just leave it on the charger indefinitely. We're thinking about replacing this, but it's like $100 and the camera and monitor is like 110, so it just didn't really make sense to do anything outside of this. So I'm going to start with using one of these guys. You can use something else too. You just have to basically pry around. It's a little hard to see with this lighting, but the edges that are more, there's white and then kind of this grayish around here. You just have to kind of apply a little bit of pressure and just open it up ever so slightly. You can kind of see it all sort of clicks eventually, or you just, it's not a very good one. This is a cheap one that I have. Then I just kind of slide and pull. If you have some spacers too, like this, you can kind of work your way around. So I'm gonna start here. Definitely a plastic over a metal. You could get away with something metal, but you know, there we go. Once you kind of have most of it, it gets a little easier. Maybe I'll use this one now and kind of go through. There we go. And you want to be careful just in the middle there once you apply it off, because there's that ribbon cable you want to break. So really all we're going to do is this guy right here isn't working anymore. And so you can see it's kind of clicking down. So here, this one, I'm just trying to get it through there and then pressing, and then you can see here, now it's working again. Ooh. Now the power button is slightly working again. Maybe it just got, it's happened before. So it kind of works intermittently now, which that's cool. Again, if it's on, you can push menu button to turn it on. But yeah, so I guess you could potentially fix it even that way too. But usually, I mean, this is the second time I've had to open it up so far, and I don't think it's like a permanent fix, but hey, maybe for you it'll catch back on there and work. So anyway, now you just have to apply some pressure on all of it. It should snap in. So again, it might work for you with the power button, but if it is on and it has battery, you can use the menu button to turn it on. And so that's typically what I've done. You can also use this power button potentially some of the times. Just depends if that fixes it or not, but either way, at least it is working now instead of not at all. So hopefully this helps you with your system. Do those YouTube things, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.